I'm Janina Magbuo, one of the students of Sir Jason Reyes. So Sir Jason is known as that cool and friendly. He is so easy to be close with kasi sobrang light ng aura niya. Talagang he refused to be your boring teacher and he always want to have fun. But of course, while learning, he is so considerate and shows care to everyone, and that's what I really liked about him. He's not just a professor to us, but he is also a good friend and a good mentor. He incorporate stories into our lessons. Hindi rin siya yung typical na prof that will just follow a certain syllabus or topics para i-discuss. But he have this variety of teaching materials para mas maintindihan namin kagad yung mga lessons niya. He shares his experiences. He always offer encouragement to everybody. And with that, I can say he have this huge impact sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya. So to our Sir Jason, thank you for all the learnings. Indeed, your entrepreneurial skill has won you many admirers, and I'm one of that. Continue to be a great inspiration to everyone. God bless you, sir.
Hi po, I'm Sharon Grizel A. Quivillas, a student of Sir Jason Reyes, and I would like to share my learnings and experiences with him as his professor. So, masasabi ko na si Sir Jason, isa siya sa pinaka-the best professor that I had all throughout my years in college. There were no dull moments with him. Lahat ng discussions niya, hindi lang niya binibase sa books, kundi sa mga experiences niya and sa real-life situations. So, yung treatment niya sa amin, para niya lang kaming barkada, but in a professional way. He always try to keep up with us and to adapt with our behaviors, and mararamdaman mo na itinitreat ka niya the way you wanted to be treated. Lagi kami excited sa klase niya, hindi lang dahil sa entertaining siya magturo, kundi dahil sa alam naming marami kaming matututunan sa kanya. One of the most memorable activity that we had with him was when he assigned us to create a tower using limited resources like papers and tape. And he grouped us into 3. Doon sa 3 groups na yon, merong 3 leaders, merong laissez-faire, democratic leader, and authoritarian leader. And I was assigned to be the authoritative one, and that task was one of the most challenging for me kasi kahit na hindi ako ganong klaseng tao, I had to do it. And I have seen how affected my group mates were that time, and up until now, dala-dala ko pa rin yung lesson na yun about leadership, that we should treat our people equally and we should act like a leader, not a boss. Another thing I've learned with Sir Jason is to do things right the first time. So he taught us how to plan ahead and to strategize effectively. So, to eliminate errors and mistakes. So, to Sir Jason, you have been my professor for years, and I have seen your strength and hard work to be the best version of who you are today. Marami po kaming natutunan sa inyo, and alam ko na magiging baon-baon namin yon kapag gumraduate kami. And you always inspired us to be better, and we will never forget the things that you've taught us. You shaped us from who we are today, and we are grateful for that. I would also like to congratulate you po for your achievements and blessings in life. Alam kong sobrang deserving niyo po yun. And always remember that we appreciate you and we are inspired to be better because of you. Thank you po, Sir Jason.
Hi, sir! Hi, sir! Ako po si Jezebel.
Ako naman po si Jacqueline.
And ako naman po si Laika. So, yun po, sir, nagpapasalamat po kami dahil po naging isa po kayo sa mga naging prof namin last sem po ng second sem po ng third year. So, napakalaking
Napakalaking po niyang tulong.
Opo. Nakaka-touch
batch po, sir, gawa ng, hindi ka po yung nagpapasa po kayo ng video sa amin ng madaling araw.
Oo, madaling araw nagpapasak, sir.
Saka iba-ibang mga pinanood niyang videos.
Oo, at
Lalo
saka-
yung sa ano.
Tsaka, sir, nakaka-motivate po sa
Oo.
dya.
Tapos po yung sir, doon pa lang po sa pagbibigay niyo po ng effort, yung effort po na pagbibideo po ninyo, kapag po madaling araw, kapag po yun nga, hindi po kayo nakaka-attend sa ating Gmeet, ay nagbibigay po kayo ng time, naglalaan po kayo,
Yes, sir.
para po may maipakita kayo sa amin, may maipanood na lesson, and dun po sa mga lesson na yon, madami po kaming natututunan, lalo na po kapag po sa loob po ng sa isa pong opisina. Di ka po ay operations management po yung naging subject namin sa inyo. Tapos po ay parang dinala niyo po kami sa mga naging experience po ninyo.
Yes po. Damang-dama namin, sir.
Yes, and yun, Merry Christmas, sir!
Sir, Merry Christmas, sir!